In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use EBT card on Kroger app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Kroger has introduced support for SNAP EBT cards. You can easily use a SNAP EBT card to purchase eligible items through the Kroger mobile app. So all that you have to do first is download the mobile app. You will need to purchase eligible items and add them to your basket, so keep that in mind. So inside of the Kroger app, you will be able to manage your cards and browse through any of the eligible items. So download the app on the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Inside, when you add items to your cart and proceed to checkout, you will be able to browse through all of the payment options, and one of them is going to be SNAP EBT. So choose the option to add a SNAP EBT card if you don't have one registered. Immediately upon choosing this, you will find the option to add a card, and you can input all of the details about your SNAP EBT card. Sadly, I cannot show you this process in full. I don't have a SNAP EBT card available at the moment, but as soon as you choose the option to add a card, you will be able to input the full card number and any other necessary details, such as possibly the expiration date and the card holder's name. And as long as you include all of those details, if you are asked, you will have your card added. And whenever the card is listed into your account, it is going to appear under the registered payment options. It is going to remain connected, and you can choose it from the list. You can remove it at any time, and as long as you include the valid details listed here as you are asked, it is going to be properly used for this purchase on Kroger. So all that you have to do is download the latest version of the Kroger mobile app, proceed to checkout after you have added enough items into your shopping basket, and you will be able to use your SNAP EBT card by choosing it from the list of available payment options. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card on Kroger app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.